Hi guys, so welcome back to my space. Today I was going to do a little unboxing of some items that I received from a local business place. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep watching. So, a local business place reached out to me and she wanted to gift me some items for my daughter, Seven. And when I looked at her page, I was actually very much intrigued because I've never actually seen anything like that, especially in Trinidad. So, I was like, really honored to be gifted some of her items. The name of the Instagram page is Arty Crafty Trinidad, and I'll leave it on the screen somewhere just for you guys to check it out because she really is so awesome. But basically, they specialize in like making specialized types of crayons in different shapes and different patterns and different colors. And they even specialize in like creating names with the crayons, which I thought was so unique and so cute for like decorating your kids' rooms. She actually sent me over two packages for my daughter. So I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing on the camera. I've never actually looked inside the box, so I'm not really too sure what to expect. But I was really excited because her page is so cute and so unique. So she sent it in this little Christmassy box, which is really cute because Christmas is right around the corner. And in the year of 2020, it's never too soon to celebrate something as joyful as Christmas, right? And really quickly, she actually just put my daughter's name in on the box in different places, so it looks like if it was like customized for my daughter, which I thought was really cute as well. So right off the bat, there's a note on the top of the box. It says, "Dearest little Seven and Mommy, we from Arty Crafty have for you a box of our personalized crayons made with the finest Crayola brand. They are non-toxic and safe for everyone, including those little hands for when they are ready for the house walls." The content includes the name Seven, and it's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. This is like I'm not even kidding. This is like the cutest little crayon set ever. So they have her name in Seven, and it's like in pink and purple, and I'm gonna like insert a clip because I feel like I don't even want to move this. It's so cute. And 7 unicorns because 7 is a magical number. Oh, it's so cute. And there's like a big pink one. Guys, pink is my favorite color. So like this is like so cute to me. 7 owls because we think little Seven is a hoot. 7 pineapples because 7 is as pretty as one. Oh, this is such a sweet note. I am such a sucker for like cute, personalized things like this. 7 cherry pears because they are as rosy as Seven's cheeks. They also have one jumbo crayon keepsake with Seven's zodiac sign, one jumbo crayon keepsake to commemorate your first Christmas in 2020. Oh, one jumbo crayon keepsake of a mini head to commemorate your first Halloween. Guys, this is so freaking cute. You have no idea. And note that all crayoned items in the box are completely usable when Seven is ready for them in the near future, and we hope she has an amazing time with them doing creative things on paper and not with mommy's makeup on the walls. We guarantee they will not melt at normal room temperature, so there is no need to worry. Thank you for accepting this gift from us. Happy Halloween and Merry Christmas. Okay, so this is literally, and I'm not even like exaggerating, this is such a cute note. I think I'm like more like obsessed with the fact that she put so much detail into just a gift item. I didn't actually purchase these items, she was just gifting me it. And the fact that she put so much effort to like personalize it and customize it to suit my daughter is so sweet and so cute and such a, like, it's so like, I don't even know, I don't have words. I'm so like touched by such a really cute note. And the fact that you can personalize to that extent, I think makes it like a really nice gift idea for somebody who just had a kid or has kids, because kids obviously love to like draw and everything. And I don't even think I want Seven to touch these. I think I want to use them to decorate. So that's also like a cute idea, like you could use to like decorate the children's walls or like a shelf. I have like the image in my head that I want to put like a floating shelf and just like put some of them on there because guys, these are seriously so cute. And inside the box, apart from the crayons, they're like little confetti in the shape. These are things that like get me. Little confetti in the shape of like teddy bears and baby rattles. Oh, this is so cute. And little flamingos. I know this is not the actual gift, but to me, the like personalized attention to detail is what gets me. And if it is, I wasn't a customer before, I am definitely one now. And I get gushy for like the smallest things. I have obsession with like little cute items, and this like is getting me. Like I love this idea as a gift. I am absolutely touched, and thank you so much, Arty Crafty, for this. This is really a unique idea, and I urge you guys to check her page out because she has a lot of different like styles of crayons that you could style. So like, for example, she has Legos, and I think I actually want to purchase the Legos because they're so cute. Like, so she has like little Lego men. Oh my god, her page is filled with like so much color and so much creativity, and I think this is something that's very unique, and I've never seen anything like this before. So definitely check them out for sure. Like, oh my god. And then she also sent me over another box, a little small one. I'm not too sure what's inside of it, but it's really nicely decorated on the outside, a little bit more mature than the one that had Seven's name and stuff on it. Oh, this one has my name. Guys, I have not looked inside these boxes. This is so ridiculous. I've not looked inside of these boxes, but this one has my name in it. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. I can't wait. I want to put this up somewhere because obviously I'm not going to use this. Like, first off, why am I using crayons? But secondly, look how cute. So there's another note in here, and it says, "Hi Leah, who said crayons are only for kids? We have enclosed your name in shades of yellow because we think yellow is definitely your color. When you remove your name from the box, we have another cute little surprise for you. Don't worry, it's zero maintenance and requires no water. We know you are creative, so it's just a little something for you to add to your home and workspace, and we know you would find an awesome way to do it. We hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Thank you for accepting this package from us. Love, Arty Crafty." So I'm gonna remove my name from the box. Oh, look how cute! So she has like, I'm gonna see if I could like hold it so that you guys could see. It's little succulents, or like crayons in the shape of succulents, and they're all different shades of green. And guys, tell me this is not the cutest freaking packaging ever. I swear to you, this is like genuine reaction. I think this is like you have no idea. And I think this is very cute, and I actually like the idea that you could make something a little bit more mature for persons who are obviously not kids like myself. And if it is you like things like these, I don't see why you can't enjoy it as a gift as well, and use it, like I said, for some sort of decorative purpose. Please check her page out, especially if it is you have kids, and even if you don't and you like things like this, then you could even consider doing it for persons who might like ideas like this, like myself, who think these things are so cute. Like, you have no idea. Like, this is one of the cutest packages I've ever received, ever been gifted. I think it was so sweet of her. Her attention to detail is amazing, and like, I think kids would really enjoy using crayons that are not the traditional like pencil shaped crayons, but you could get them in like a bunch of different shapes and sizes and colors, and like the fact that you could have color combos together and you could put like pinks and purples together. I think children would really enjoy using stuff like that, and children display such unique creative abilities that if we give them items like this to like further boost their imagination, I think their creativity will blossom. And I like this idea of using different shapes of crayons and different color combos to like enhance that. I know I totally went left and went on to like a little tangent, but I really do like this page, and I really am touched, and I think these items are so cute, like you have no idea. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing, and please forgive all the gushy like talk, I'm sorry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, and check out Arty Crafty. And until next time guys, bye!